Welcome student on another video lecture. Today's topic is evaluation of herbal drugs. ICH guidelines for assessment of herbal drugs. The International Council of Harmonization of Technical Requirement for Pharmaceutical for Human Use is unique in bringing together the regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical industry to discuss scientific and technical aspect of drug registration. So both regulatory authorities and industry, they will come bringing together and they will discuss the scientific and technical aspect of drug registration under ICH guideline. Since its inception in 1990, ICH has gradually evolved to respond to the increasingly global phase of drug development. ICH mission is to achieve greater harmonization worldwide to ensure that safe, effective and high quality medicines are developed and registered in the most resource efficient manner. So main aim of this ICH guideline is to ensure that safe, effective and high quality medicines are developed as well as registered. In November 2005, the ICH Steering Committee developed a new codification system for ICH guidelines. The purpose of this new codification is to ensure that the numbering coding of ICH guideline is more logical, consistent and clear, because the new system applies to the existing as well as new ICH guideline as a history box. So original guidelines, they are taken as a history box and new guidelines are also applied to that or added to that, to the beginning of all guidelines, to explain how the guidelines was developed and what is the latest version. With the new codification revision to an ICH guideline are shown as R1, R2, R3 depending on the number of revisions. Annexes and addenda to guideline have now been incorporated into the core guidelines. So more information or more material is added to the original or core guidelines and are indicated as revision to core guideline, and these added or incorporated material or guidelines, they will consider as a revision to core guideline. The ICH topic are divided into 4 categories and ICH topic codes are assigned according to these categories. First guideline is quality guideline. Harmonization achievement in quality area include pivotal milestones such as the conduct of stability studies, because when we are concerning about the herbal medicines, these herbal medicines have they are originated from the natural source or herbs, and due to which their stability problem is more there, they are more prone to contamination. For that reason the stability studies are important when we are concerning about the drugs they are from herbal origin. Defining relevant threshold for impurity testing and are more flexible approach to pharmaceutical quality based on good manufacturing practices and risk management. First is stability QA to Q1F stability studies. Second is analytical validation. Third is impurities. Q4 is pharmacopoeias. Q5 quality of biotechnological product. Q6 is specification. Q7 good manufacturing practices. Q8 pharmaceutical development. Q9 quality risk management. Q10 pharmaceutical quality system. 11 development and manufacture of drug substances. 12 life cycle management. Next is safety guidelines. ICH has produced a comprehensive set of safety guidelines to uncover potential risks like carcinogenicity, genotoxicity, reprotoxicity. A recent breakthrough has been a non-clinical testing strategies for assessing the QT interval prolongation liability, the single most important cause of drug withdrawals in recent years. SIA SIG carcinogenicity studies, S2 genotoxicity study, S3 toxicokinetic and pharmacokinetics, S4 toxicity testing, S5 reproductive toxicology, S6 biotechnological product, S7A, S7B pharmacology studies, S8 immunotoxicology studies, S9 non-clinical evaluation of anti-cancer pharmaceuticals, S10 photosafety evaluation, S11 non-clinical safety testing. Third one is efficacy guidelines. The work carried out by ICH under the efficacy heading is concerned with the designing, conduct, safety and reporting of clinical trials. It covers the novel types of medicine derived from biotechnological processes, the use of pharmacogenetics, genomics technique to produce better targeted medicines. E1 clinical safety for drug used in long-term treatment, E2 A to F pharmacovigilance, E3 clinical study reports, E4 dose response studies, E5 ethnic factor, E6 good clinical practices, E7 clinical trials in geriatric population, E8 general consideration for clinical trials, E9 statistical principle for clinical trials, E10 choice of control group in clinical trials, E11 clinical trials in pediatric population, E12 clinical evaluation by therapeutic category, E14 clinical evaluation of QT, E15 definition in pharmacogenetics, pharmacogenomics, E16 qualification of genomic biomarkers, E17 multi-regional clinical trials, E18 genomic sampling. M multidisciplinary guidelines. Those are the cross-cutting topics which do not fit uniquely into one of the quality, safety, efficacy categories. It includes the ICH medical terminology, MedDRA, the common technical document CDT, and the development of electronic standards for the transfer of regulatory information ESTRI. M1 MedDRA terminology, M2 electronic standards, and M3 non-clinical safety studies, M4 common technical document, M5 data element standard for drug dictionaries, M6 gene therapy, M7 genotoxic impurities, M8 electronic common technical document, M9 biopharmaceutic classification system based on BioWares, M10 bioanalytical method validation. So all these are the different studies or which are carried out under ICH guideline. So this is about the introduction of ICH guideline. Thank you.